Today we are going to take a deep dive into the Xiaomi Phone 13 Pro and discover why it is truly the best of both worlds. Welcome back to our channel, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have something extraordinary to share with you. Xiaomi Phone 13 Pro, a device that combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional design. Let's discover what makes this smartphone stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, the Xiaomi Phone 13 Pro is a force when it comes to performance. Packed with a blazing fast processor and ample 12 GB of RAM, this device ensures smooth multitasking and easy navigation through apps and games. Whether you're a gamer or a power user, the 13 Pro can handle anything you throw at it. Be in awe of the beautiful display of the Xiaomi Phone 13 Pro. With a vivid and immersive OLED panel, every picture and video comes to life with vivid colors and sharp details. The bezel-less design maximizes screen real estate for a truly immersive viewing experience. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or editing photos, the 13 Pro's display is an absolute joy to see. Xiaomi has always prioritized user experience, and the 13 Pro is no exception. The MyUI interface provides a clean and intuitive user interface, allowing for seamless navigation and customization. In addition, the device comes with a host of smart features, such as eye-powered camera enhancements, facial recognition and a built-in fingerprint scanner, helping you to interact with your phone every day, easily and safely. The Xiaomi 13 Pro phone ensures that you are always connected to the world around you. With 5G capabilities, you can enjoy lightning-fast download and upload speeds that enable smooth streaming, lag-free gaming, and speedy file transfers. In addition, the device supports dual SIM functionality, allowing you to separate your work and personal contacts while enjoying the convenience of a single device. The Xiaomi 13 Pro phone truly represents the best of both worlds. Exceptional performance, stunning display and user-friendly features make it a top contender in the smartphone market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, content creator, or a professional on the go, 13 Pro has everything you need. If you are ready to experience the perfect balance between power and style, do not hesitate to take a look at the Xiaomi Phone 13 Pro. Purchase link below description. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews. Until next time, take care and stay connected. Goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.